Welcome to question 14 of the JavaScript interview series. Can you guess the output of the following piece of code? Ready with your answer? Great. So if you answered this as 14, then you are 100% correct. The simple answer to this is closures. Okay. So what is a closure in JavaScript? A closure is basically a function bundled together with its lexical environment, lexical as in surrounding environment. So for this particular inner function, the lexical environment will be this whole thing. Okay. Now, what is happening over here, right? So we have a function called outer that declares a variable x which has a value of 14. Okay, now inside this outer function we are returning this inner function as well. Okay, now just understand one thing. This x happens to be in the lexical environment of this inner function, and due to this forms a closure with the outer function, and thus it retains its value. Okay, so even though over here I have called this outer function and that has returned what has that returned? If you see the outer function, it is returning this inner function, right? So that has been gone and it has been stored in this caller variable. Okay, now since this inner function has a closure with this outer variable, right, so it is able to retain that value. Okay, since again this is in its this x is in the lexical environment of this inner function, and hence when we call this variable, it will still retain this value of 14, and hence we get 14 on the console through the inner function, even though we have separately called the outer function and then called the inner function. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more.